we've kicked off a new series titled Exploring South Australia's State Sponsorship Program Episode 1. Greetings everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Motivation of Life. Today, we have some exhilarating news to share. South Australia has officially opened its doors for state sponsorship, and we are overjoyed. This presents an amazing opportunity for individuals aspiring to fulfill their dream of relocating to South Australia. In this video, we're going to delve deep into the specifics of this thrilling development. We will discuss the 4 available streams, the extensive list of eligible occupations, and walk you through the application process. So, if you've been eagerly awaiting this moment, let's dive right in. 1. Streams of state sponsorship. Opportunities await. First up, let's talk about the 4 streams of sponsorship available for South Australia. A. South Australian graduates working in the state. This stream is designed for South Australian graduates who have been residing in the state for at least 12 months and working full-time in their nominated occupation for the last 6 months. B. Highly skilled and talented individuals. This stream is open to everyone in South Australia, interstate, and overseas. It offers options for applicants with employers in South Australia with turnovers over 4 million, those with high-tech or digital industry experience, and individuals with defense or space industry experience. C. Offshore candidates. South Australia assesses offshore candidates based on factors like years of experience, English language proficiency, and expression of interest points. This stream is open for selected occupations, including specialist managers, medical specialists, civil engineers, ICT professionals, and many more. D. No outer regional stream. Unfortunately, the outer regional stream is no longer available, which is disappointing for those living in regional South Australia who were looking for a visa option. 2. Navigating the application process. Your path to South Australia. Now, let's break down the application process into 3 essential steps. A registration of interest, regardless of the stream. The first step is to submit a registration of interest. During this process, certain priority factors are considered, such as holding a temporary visa expiring before August 31, 2024. Being under 45 years old by August 31, 2024, the length of employment or experience in South Australia, and the type of skilled employment in South Australia. B. Priority sectors. South Australia will prioritise individuals working in sectors such as health and medical sciences, trades and construction, early childhood, digital technologies, food and agriculture, tourism and hospitality, high-tech digital, green energy, defence, space, and cybersecurity, advanced manufacturing, and health and life sciences. C. Handling uncertainty. As you wait for an invitation, keep in mind that there might be some uncertainty. It's a good idea to explore alternative options like employer sponsorship, partner visas, or even student visas. We'll be providing updates and insights on specific occupations and how they align with the list. We encourage you to ask questions or share your thoughts in the comments section. Your input and questions help us create more informative content for you. 3. Understanding the costs. Your investment in the future. Let's briefly discuss the application fees for South Australian nomination or endorsement, which vary depending on the type of application you are making. Please see below for a guide to costs for all state nomination and endorsement applications. Skilled migrants and international graduates, skilled nominated visa, subclass 190, $359. Skilled Work Regional, Provisional, Visa, Subclass 491, $359. Registration of Interest, nil. Business Migrants, Business Innovation and Investment, Permanent, Visa, Subclass 888, $1,013. Investor Retirement Renewal Visa, Subclass 405, $598. Local businesses. South Australian endorsement of positions under the Dharmas for the Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional, Provisional, Visa, Subclass 494, Labour Agreement Stream, nil. South Australian endorsement of positions under the Dharmas for the Temporary Skill Shortage Visa, Subclass 482, Labour Agreement Stream, nil. Regional certifying body advice for the Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional, Provisional, Visa, Subclass 494, Employer-Sponsored Stream, nil. Skills assessments for endorsement of positions in non-ANZSCO occupations under the Dharmas, nil. Support services, recognition of overseas qualifications, nil. Recognition of trade skills, nil. Please note that a credit card and processing surcharge of 0.35% is charged in addition to the fees listed, and GST is payable by all onshore applicants. In conclusion, South Australia state sponsorship reopening is a significant development for individuals and businesses alike. It's an opportunity to build a future in a vibrant and growing state. We look forward to sharing more insights and updates with you on this exciting journey. Thank you for watching today's video. And remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest news and information. We're here to help you navigate the path to South Australia. And we can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, take care and best of luck with your immigration journey.